Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are having a nice Sunday. I have probably had the laziest Sunday like ever. It is so late right now, it's past 5 p.m. and I finally just like showered and got ready. I stayed in bed until like 2. I don't know what's wrong with me, but it was like one of those days I just like had to catch up on sleep, I guess, even though I haven't been that deprived, but yeah, just one of those Sundays. So let me know what you guys have done. So today I have a little bit of a haul to unbox for you guys. I honestly don't shop too much online. I get a lot of pretty much everything I need from my subscription boxes. I try and sign up for new boxes that have things that I'm missing in my life so I can, you know, just get things that way. But I did make a few purchases, so I thought I would show you guys. Let me know if you don't mind what your opinions are. When I buy things outside of subscription boxes, do you want me to continue doing these hauls? Because I definitely will. They won't be frequent, but I can let you know whenever I buy some beauty products, lifestyle products, anything like that. But before I get started and show you what I did purchase, I want to remind you that I do have a giveaway going on. It was in my video yesterday, so it's 2 of the Walmart favorites boxes. So I will link that video down below if you are interested in entering. That is open for 2 weeks. I believe it ends on the 13th of April. April starts tomorrow. That is pretty crazy. And I will probably do my Q&A tomorrow, film it tomorrow, so thank you all for submitting questions. If you have any more, feel free to leave them down below. I appreciate it, but let's get unboxing. Alright, so the first box I'm going to show you, I ordered a few things from Ulta. I did already open it and start to use one of the products. So I wasn't really planning on purchasing anything in their 21 Days of Beauty, which I believe is still going on, so every day they have different beauty deals. But I signed up for an alert. I wanted to get an item from their website, the bio oil, and that came in stock. So I went to go purchase it and saw it was a 21 Days of Beauty. So I purchased something else, or maybe 2 other things too. So I'll start with the bio oil. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. And I do have some stretch marks that, you know, I kind of want to take care of. They're not very pleasant to see, and I've heard only good things about this stuff. So this is what the actual oil looks like. So you can see it, I've been using it since Tuesday and now it's Sunday, so almost a week, and I put a little dent into it, but not too much. So on here it says it helps to improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. It can also help with uneven skin tone and aging and dehydrated skin. So you're supposed to apply it twice daily. They also talk about using it during pregnancy. A lot of women use this as prevention, I guess, when they're pregnant. I am not, by the way. I'm just throwing it out there since I mentioned pregnancy. So you're supposed to start like in the beginning of your 2nd trimester, I guess. So I have been pretty good about using it twice a day. I'm not sure how long it is going to take to see results, but I actually took pictures on the first day I did it, which I cannot share because they are like of my like butt and boobs pretty much. You know, that's not YouTube friendly, but I'm gonna see like the progress. So I've heard great things, like people say this stuff really works, so I'm super excited. And this cost, I pulled up the website because it didn't say the pricing on the sheet of paper included in here, so I got the 4.2 ounce bottle and this is $19.99. And just in case any of you guys are interested, I'll link the products down below. Just so it's easier. I know you can just Google things, but I will link that if you are interested, and I will definitely keep you updated on this. So on the day I placed this order, the MAC Pro Longwear paint pots were on sale for half off, and I've heard people talk about these. I think like Tati uses this every day or something, and I've like always kind of been interested. I've heard numerous other people too. So normally it's $22. Yeah, and I got it for $11. I haven't even looked at this yet. But a lot of people use this like before they apply their shadows, and they say it prolongs wear, I guess. So this is in Painterly. I think I got this shade only because that's what I've heard the most, so hopefully it's a good match. Let me see if I can open this. So this is what it looks like. So it pretty much just like match your skin tone, I guess. So yeah, it just matches my skin tone completely. Like showing it to you guys wouldn't even do much. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated. I'm gonna start using this tomorrow as a base for my eyes. So maybe I'll get more adventurous with my eye looks again. I was like doing such fun looks when I was using my ABH Riviera palette every day. In the past few days I've just been like neutral, but I've been like having really low-key days. But yeah, so this will be fun to use and kind of motivate me to do other looks as well. So have you guys tried this out? Let me know. Is there any other use for it, or is that just pretty much what it's for, like to use as a base for your eyes? Because really, I didn't do much research. I was like, yeah, I've heard good things about that. It's on sale, let me buy it. Like, that is why I don't online shop all the time. And then I got one other thing. This was already like in my cart. I think I was just waiting for when I was going to place an Ulta order. This is a brow pencil that I've heard good things for, and it's really affordable. This is by LA Girl Shady Slim, like Slim Shady brow pencil and taupe. I'm hoping this isn't too light for me, just judging by the top. I've been doing my brows a little bit darker. I seriously just finished, I might have like a teeny bit left of my other brow pencil by Maybelline that I've liked. So I really do need a new pencil. Let's see what this looks like. So this might be lighter than the shade I have been using. So it does have a spoolie on the end, by the way, but let me swatch this. I hope it's not too light, but the price point is $5.99 because I go through a brow pencil probably every like 1.5 to 2 months. Yeah, I mean, this probably is a good shade match for my natural brows, but I've just been using like a light brown, but I'll have to see what it looks like. It's pretty light and it seems kind of crumbly, but the real test will be when it's on my brows. But if this works and it's only like $5.99, that would be awesome. I can't remember, there was definitely a specific YouTuber I think that said like this is their go-to over like ABH, like Brow Wiz or whatever. Was it like Andrea? I don't know, but someone recommended this, so that's why I got this. So those are just the 3 things I got from Ulta. So the main purpose of placing an order was definitely this oil because it was out of stock for months. Like, I know Target carried it, but I've just been kind of lazy. I haven't made any Target rounds just because Target is dangerous for me. I buy way too much when I'm there. So I believe this here, let me click right now. Yeah, this is actually still in stock at Ulta, but I know, like, I've heard other people say it too, it goes pretty quickly, and they have multiple sizes too. So the other place I placed an order for was through Birchbox. So I kind of forgot what I purchased for a second until I just glanced in. So I got 3 different things, and I did use loyalty points to purchase all of these. Have you guys heard that Birchbox is raising their prices? So they've been around for 9 years, and this is the first time they're doing so. I'm really curious to see how it improves. So they said that we should see some differences starting this month, or in April. So yeah, I'll definitely keep you guys updated on that. I know some people were mad and canceling, but I'm gonna continue so I can show you guys everything. And I do have a like link with them that gives you discounts, so that has changed. Someone has brought that to my attention. If you were watching after I do this video, I'm gonna remember to update my coupon links. But yeah, do you guys know anything else about that? I'll definitely talk about it in my Birchbox video this month, but the price is raised by at least a few dollars. But anyways, so I used my loyalty points, and the first thing I got is also a MAC product. I totally forgot I bought this. I'm super excited to finally try it. This is the MAC Prep and Prime. Oh, even the box is kind of like glittery. So everyone has MAC Fix Plus. Like, you hear everyone talk about it. I've never had it before, so I'm super pumped. This is what it looks like, which I'm sure you've seen. You hear everyone say like, and then I sprayed my brush with Fix Plus. So this is just the original one. Let me see the cost of it because it doesn't say on this like packing sheet either. So this is $27. This is a lot of money. I'm super curious to see if it's worth the price since I've never used it before. I'm assuming so since so many people love it. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. The next thing I purchased is actually like a backup, which I never ever do, but I'm almost out of it. It's the Sunday Riley UFO Acne Treatment Oil. So I use this every other day. And for the most part, it's been working. I do have a few breakouts right now. TMI, but I do have my period right now, so that just happens to me. I just get them like my week before my period usually, so they're starting to go away. But I love Sunday Riley products. If you've been following me, you know that. I've actually just finished another oil by them, and I already had a backup of that one. It is the Glow Oil that we got in the Allure box. I also got it in the Sunday Riley box, so that was great. I had a backup. And I'm getting close to being done with my other UFO oil. So if you do not know what this is the UFO Ultra Clarifying Acne Treatment Face Oil. It's for the management and prevention of acne and blackheads. This 1.5% salicylic acid medicated dry oil clears congested pores. So I love this stuff. Like I said, I use it every other night. I mix it with my other oil by them, like the Luna oil, which has retinoids in it. So it's been working well. I love Sunday Riley. So this is expensive. This is $40. So all Sunday Riley products do have a higher price tag, but in my opinion, good skincare is worth the splurge. They do offer a bigger size, but I just got the smaller size, and this lasts me about like 2 months. The next item I purchased because I got it in one of my Birchboxes and I loved it. And this is a perfume. I can't remember the last time I purchased a perfume. This is the Arizona perfume by Proenza Schuler. This is what the outer packaging looks like. This was really expensive, so I didn't get the biggest size. I got like the medium size, and this is only 30 mLs and it's $75. But this stuff smells so good. I know some people got like an even smaller size than this in their Glossy Box. I don't subscribe to Glossy Box, but I did get like one of the teeny sample sprays, and I loved it so much, I just had to get it. But I just couldn't splurge like the $130. So this will last a little while, especially since I have other perfumes I like. I'm gonna put some on now, even though I shouldn't waste it. How does this top work? Just, it seriously smells so good. Oh my God, you guys, I love it. I'm so excited to have this. So I think this is cute too, to put on display. I'll probably just leave it in here. I freaking love this scent, and I don't know how to describe scents, so I'm gonna pause, see if they have anything on here that talks about it. So this fragrance is inspired by the deserts of Arizona in more ways than one. Inside the unique glass bottle designed to represent the faceted angles of rocks. Oh, I guess it looks that way. It's rich floral scent with notes of white cactus flower balanced by musk. So yeah, so this is the 30 ml. Let's see what is the full size? It was so much. There's actually 2 sizes larger than what I purchased. You can get the 50 mLs for $100 or the 90 mLs for $130. So yeah, so I went with the smaller one. But I think scents usually last a little while. Maybe I'll repurchase this again in the future, but I'm super excited to have it. So yeah, that is my mini haul. I hope you guys aren't too bored. If you're still here, thank you for watching. All this stuff I kind of needed. I mean, I didn't really need the MAC paint pot thing or the setting spray. Well, I mean, I'll definitely use the Fix Plus. I could always use some setting sprays. I mean, I just got 2 setting sprays in my Walmart box yesterday and I was out of setting sprays, so now I'm pretty good. But yeah, definitely check out my giveaway video if you have not yet. Let me know your opinion on hauls if you want to keep seeing these. And if you have any other questions for me, 'cause I'm pretty positive I'm going to film my Q&A tomorrow. So anyways, I hope you guys had a great weekend. I love you so, so much, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.